Okay, so I'm in my shop over here, and you can see we are all about frequency. I know it's backwards, but that's what these cameras do, you know. But I wanted to show you some of the beautiful gemstones that I have here. They are gorgeous, and they are made up in an artistic, let's say, setting by this lady Veronica. She's the artist, and because I'm all about frequency and that scientific part of me, I'm going to show you a few of the things that we've got.
It's just here. Look at these beautiful for your hands. I mean, come on. You want this, don't you? I want this, so you must want it too, Miss. Yeah. And look at this. Ooh. We're gonna be sexy tonight. Anyways.
Okay, we're just having a bit of fun, but look at these beautiful pieces of art. How gorgeous are they? Wow, really wonderful. And of course I have to wear it, so I've got this on today. These are called mermaid money. They're so pretty. It looks so pretty. I love it.